Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I am currently 29 weeks pregnant with our second baby, and this time around we decided we wanted a smaller swing that would still have all the functions of a large one. This one by Bellababy is so cute. I love the gentle rocking motion and how little space it takes up. It has this awesome cushioned pad in it that is reversible, that just velcros in, so it's very easy to take out and wash. I love both sides. It's super cute, and it has a mesh back so your baby's not going to get hot. I love that it has a touchscreen on it, but also a remote and 10 different lullabies to choose from. Whether you're looking for a new baby swing for yourself or a gift for a friend, I highly recommend this one. It is a super awesome swing. It checks all the boxes, it's easy to wash, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. We love it, and you'll love it too, but that's just my point of view.